Do you want to create a digital vision board, but you think it might be too complicated, or you're not sure which tools to use? Well, friend, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple vision board using Canva. Welcome back to Spark University, Spark TV. I'm Javon, your personal success strategist. Each week, I provide tools and tips to enhance your personal performance so that way you can design a life that is meaningful and purposeful to you. I love Canva. I have been using Canva for years, and I use it to make worksheets, books, workbooks, graphics, all type of stuff, right? But that's another lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to create a vision board. So over here to the right, just click on design. Wonderful thing about Canva is that it has so many templates. So you can start from scratch from a blank canvas if you want to, or you can just use a template that's already provided for you. So today I think I'm just going to click on photo collage. And as you see, there's going to be a whole swarm of different templates that's going to show up. Now, Canva has a paid version and a free version. Everything that you can do in the paid version, you can do in the free version, pretty much. Okay. I'm going to show you what I already created. I created a vision board for the video, how to create a vision board. And I use Canva to do it. So let me show you a better picture of it. So this is the vision board that I created using Canva. This is me, of course. I just uploaded over here on the left. You can upload your photos. And so I uploaded a photo that I wanted. This is my book, Get Up, Shake and Move. And so I had already uploaded that picture, like into my photo. See, I already uploaded it here. And then it was just easy to upload into my vision board. But I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go back to our templates. And let's just choose one that is easy and simple, not too cluttered. The good thing about a digital vision board is that you can print it out and you can create, you can frame it, hang it up so you can always see it, or you can save it as a screensaver on your laptop or on your cell phone. That's also a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to use this one right here. And just so that you can see that there are good photos that you can use as well, I'm going to say that we only want the free photos. All right, so let's come over here to photos. Oh, here we go, the free, right here. So free, apply. And you can also you can also choose your photos by color if that's something that you want to do. But so I always said I want to travel to Aruba, right? I'm not sure, Aruba is I'm not sure if there's any pictures for, oh, there are. All right, so there's pictures on here for Aruba. So I'm going to choose this one. And that's somewhere I want to go. So, and as you see, I just chose the picture I wanted and dragged it to the spot that I wanted, and it just took over the spot right there. I do want to start practicing self-care, right? So that can be, and you know what? I like this picture right here because a lot of times I feel guilty when I want to take time just for me because I feel like I'm putting everyone else's needs on the back burner. So, and the good thing about Canva too, if you just double click this picture, you can drag it. See, it's so easy to manipulate. All right, so now we got my self-care isn't selfish. I do want to start practicing yoga and meditation. So since I like the water, let's just go with the water right here. Okay, both water things going on here. And what else do I want? Well, I want to start journaling more often, right? I journal already, but not as frequently as I would like to. Okay, so I'm going to use this one right here. Now, if let's say I don't want to use all the pictures and I just want to change things a little bit, I can delete. Okay, so the templates are easy to manipulate. And let's say I want to, I'm just going to drag this over a little bit so I can make this bigger. Right? because I really want to go to Aruba. That's something I really want to do. And then we're going to drag this over here. Okay. And then little webcam things in the way. There we go. I'm going to show you how you can add different shapes and text on here too. So family, I want to spend more time with my family because you know my children are getting older. Yeah, my babies aren't babies anymore. Anyone else going through that type of transition? Now my babies are in high school. So yeah, we're going to talk about that. That's going to be a discussion. All right, so what I'm going to do with all that free time, right? Maybe I'll find a time to journal. All right, so let's go over here to the shapes. So I want to look for a heart. And I'm just going to drag. Let me see, is there a free one? Because I said I was going to use free. Okay, here's a free one. And let's just say I want to put that right here because family is always important to me. And I want to change my color. I'm going to make it green. And over here you can go to text. And you can either find a template that you like, or you can just drag and drop. So I'm just going to drag this over here, and I'm going to type in family, and then we're going to size it. Okay. Now this whole bunch of different fonts that you can use over here. I'm just going to use the font that came up already. Okay, and I'm going to reposition it just a little bit. I'm going to tilt it just a little. And let's add that in here. I don't think I like that green. Let's see. I want something a little lighter. Let's try purple. Okay, let's do the family. All right, there we go. So family is important to me. And I want to put over here, let's put and we're just going to make this bigger. And since we did the purple there, I'm just going to go ahead and change this brown to purple as well. Okay. And then that way, because that way it can be consistent. I like to be consistent. And then I'm just going to bold this a little bit. So that way you can see that a little bit better. I probably changed the font on that as well. There we go. So it stand out a little bit more. Okay. And then let's see. Let's go to nutrition over here. And yeah, it's not so much about me losing weight. It's more about having a healthier lifestyle, right? So it's just about eating better and making better choices. And then if I eat better and make better choices, I'm just gonna make that the whole background. And then I can screen. No, I don't like that. And then if I make the better choices, right, the weight loss will come. So let's size this picture down a little bit. Let's bring this on over. Okay, so I think we're about done. So like I told you, it was real simple. I like to drag my photos out though, because you know, I was taught collages, you're not supposed to have any white space, right? Everything's supposed to be covered. And the hardest part is finding the pictures that you want, pretty much. But if you have an idea of what you want, then you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully this quick tutorial is something that you found beneficial for you. And let me show you the overall picture. I just want to show it to you. Present. And that's my collage. Let's see. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's real simple. And there's different templates. As you saw, we use text, we use shapes. I use different photos. You can use video. You can insert video if you want to. You can have your own photos that you want to upload. Remember I showed you that in this example right here where I uploaded my own videos. And You just have fun with it. And I even put this text on here where it says free to be unapologetically me. And I wanted financial freedom. And all these things still pertain to what it is that I want to do. So this is my current vision board. So if you like this week's tips and tools and you are ready to design a life that is meaningful and purposeful to you, then subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Also, you can visit SPARKNUniversity.com for additional resources. So choose today to start living your life boldly, passionately, and purposefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.